Oh, I can record them. We had to go through security and stuff, so we are inside now. Security set up like when you go through border control at airport. Border protection, basically the same thing. So we're going to the bottom floor. We're starting from the bottom, then we're gonna make it to the top. Starting from the bottom now, yeah. And stuff. So I think we're gonna have a tour guide. So you guys will hear the tour guide talk. We don't have a tour guide, don't we? You never come by here? Okay. I think we're gonna have a tour guide. I'm not sure if we don't have a tour guide. We will see how it goes. Guys, we're a little bit hungry right now, so before the tour we're gonna breakfast and good, but I'm hungry now again, so we get something to eat. They have a little cafe down here, so that's what we're gonna do. I'll show you guys what we get and stuff like that. So guys, we got a few snacks before we are going in. We got some hot dogs, cornbread, rice, cake, and what is your again?
Banana pudding.
Banana pudding. So
Foreign banana pudding.
we're gonna devour this. Right. That's a plane, guys. A plane. We just finished the tour. It's a bit dark in here. It was pretty long, covered a lot of history. I didn't want to vlog in there because they have some sensitive areas where you're not supposed to vlog or video. Somebody just eliminate the whole thing and thing, but you got a lot of history from the walkthrough and stuff. Wow, this is so beautiful. Let me turn around. So guys, the water is running from the water is running and they put coins inside along with paper money. And have some lighting on there. Wow! Much lighting here, so kind of. Our change is gonna come some Coke. And then this one. Like you guys can talk to read articles and stuff like that. It's like
No!
a little library.
That was like all of our brothers were great.
So this is like a screen where you can touch these things and they come up. It's like, you see the history of it? It's pretty cool. So you say I want to read this article, I could touch it. And then other information will come up around it. See, I want to look at this chair. See, I want to enlarge in it. Just like in the movies when you see them touch things. Pretty cool. It's like virtual animation. So I want to view this. I'm just gonna click on it. It's gonna enlarge. And then I can find the information on it there. I can scroll, go across. The lighting is not so good, but it's pretty cool. So guys, the lighting is not so good inside here, but we have one more level to go, which we're not gonna go at.
2 more levels because we're pretty tired right now. My feet hurt. I think I've seen enough today. We are just gonna exit. If anything, I'll check back in with you guys when we are on the road or anything.
And then give me $100 for the way and something, and the $500 be too cool.
Awesome.
No, do that again, no.
So guys, this is the monument.
Yeah, turn around and
If you watch
turn your back to me and
presidential-
just flash your ear and look through it.
If you watch those presidential movies, you always see it.
Yeah.
And this is where like Barack and them people they get in speech
Like
at
turn
one
side
end
and like
of the road
at the
and
back
stuff
of
like
your
that.
house.
What should I take picture? You go over there, so-
No, turn your
Yeah, so that's a building from the
like
outside.
that, like
Some monument.
You're not doing it right.
See there?
Alright, cool.
The lighting is
Look
dark.
on, yeah, you mean, baby.
I've seen a lot of historical stuff today and stuff, so yeah, it was really good. Take a picture of me with the monument thing.
The sun, oh come, give me a picture with the sun. The sun in the hall before it has been.
Alright. Skylife. Yeah. Yo, Queen. Yeah. Sorry, what's the
Around.
It's not more head, it's near head.
Why would I take it together? Yeah.
We're still vlogging.
Back to back now. Back to back. Indian people like the India, like the Native American, and them African land.
Really? Actually, when I check it back, what they show, based off what they showed us inside.
Yeah, but it's true.
Yeah, even though that's not history. We got the Native American Museum, that part.
In where? Where is that? Down here, Satu? Oh. You think CIA agents are around here? You think CIA agents just around here and chill? And look out. Why?
Them have camera everywhere.
Okay.
That's why I always say, like, people talk about, oh, they don't want to do no face recognition cause they don't want the government have the information.
The government have the
You have a
information
drive-
from your pass through the airport, so I don't understand what they mean.
No, but me I say, yo, you have your ID, right?
Yeah.
So they have your picture. So why is them, if anything them want, them can't get it?
Guys, we are walking to the White House now.
People,
The link up.
they're not feed me, so guess what? This is what me I can.
Come on before the light change.
Ocean, come before light change, Ocean.
You read that on black card.
I got black one.
Oh my God. I can't afford for them call it, but I'm afraid to come back with 1 foot.
People, me not do this at
Come.
Jamaica. Where are they?
She a eat on road.
I
She
don't
hungry.
know this in Jamaica, but guess what? They're not feed me bird.
Cake taste nice, huh?
No, man.
I want my ice cream part. I'm eating a fight. Yeah, we had a piece of red velvet cake. It was really, really on point. I wasn't expecting it.
These are people, let me tell them something. After, oh, this is not good. after we inside the museum, right? So, Jeremy said we need to take up trays. Okay. We need to take up. We need to take
It's
up.
actually a little bit far than that one of the things.
We
How
need
much?
to take up a tray each, right?
But they're right there,
So-
so that's what
And then it was
And
the
at 10
restaurant
minutes
was like
away.
not far. Was like a
Yeah,
buffet
food.
style. So you don't think that the food free no.
What should I?
We pack up with tray. You know we Jamaican people still. Once we know so things free, go and dive in it. Only if you didn't know. We so we have to catch the food or we pick up.
I said then chicken, then let food in front of you. Everything price like super high.
They just go and you order whatever you want.
Yeah,
But
alright.
and alone we could have walk out with the food in the man there check
True.
through another van.
And if I
We
say
walk
I
out with the food and then we
already
not
our
like that.
Uber. Hi. I said, no, come on now, I'm different girl. I'll not store. Excuse me.
American school.
Hey.
Let me not say that I'm the vlog coming out. You think my race?
Oh, and then also
But
you
really
say
not like
about
white.
one company in New York with them.
My name?
Go to the school for them.
Yeah,
I can rent them.
I was telling you about it, Monica. How bold.
Yeah, that's it.
You never hear me tell about the boardwalk? Yes.
See on video.
When we reach White House, we check back. Baltimore.
Over there, so we're parking up here.
Yeah.
Oh, so
When we reach the White House, I'll check back in with you guys and show you that. One thing they don't have no if a garbage bin on the road. Why?
No man, I saw a food box.
Littering.
Last time, my wife.
Never today, they sit here in movies and stuff. Terrible Jeremy. That man looks like a real security. CIA. Albert Gallin thing. Secretary of Treasures. Secretary of Treasure. So the road to the White House is like completely blocked off. Like it's just reserved for people walking. I'm gonna see woman chastise him to see in a place and to see if I just ain't got the truth.
And they guard it.
And they when they talk, it's guys, in Washington is really, really, really clean. The White House. Just walk past the Secret Service. Oh my God. The White House is right behind us.
That's mine, yes. Thank you so much.
Here, Ben.
We're about to take a picture. I'm so excited.
Here we go, Ben. Jacob.
Boss chick, you that. Them now fi yaks who that. Stand out, well hot. Dress back, she no regular girl. No regular. My girl, no regular girl. No, no regular.
Show off your melanin. See how the queen and a joke about that. See them a look as a melanin a pop. Walk on Miss Melanin. Show off your melanin. See them a hate cause I know you think shot. They see your skin and offer respect.
Like with your eyes, the video is not doing any justice, but this shot with your eyes, it's a nice shot. Nice shot.